Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Vital Pump XL Gummies. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically performance enhancing gummies. These are just gummies in chewable form that helps you with your pump in the gym or in exercise and strength training. So this is supposedly to boost your energy and your strength in a lot of ways. But before I get into the details, a lot of you have been sending me messages, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on Amazon, and they are rated 3.4 out of 5 stars with 20 ratings here. And let's read about this item. Maximum strength formula, convenient chewable form, all natural ingredients, supports an active lifestyle, and generous supply. So let's read some reviews here. As you can see, 3-star photos and descriptions do not match the actual product, which is a red flag right there. Easy and convenient to take. So these do not look anything like these picture right here. This is violet, and the picture right here looks like it's almost black. Tastes like candy. No good. These are a joke. Don't work for me. Unsure about how this tastes. Very different looking to the advertising. Lot of sugar. Pleasant tasting supplement. So please guys, do just taste good because of the sugar. However, they do not. I doubt that they do have any impact on your strength. And I would advise you to buy real supplements and not some shady product like this that actually looks different from what it's advertised. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.